Welcome to this tutorial on how to make a new post in EduBlogs. So from the Fairview Park Schools page, you can either go to the Students tab or the Staff page. Either one will get you there. And we are going to be looking for FPCS digital portfolios, which you will see on the left-hand side that I have my cursor highlighting over. Once you go there, you can see that I'm already signed in, so I'll log out so it will show you what it looks like. You'll have to type in your username and your password. Press login. When you log in, it will automatically take you to your dashboard page. What I tell students is the dashboard page is kind of like your command central. This is where you can control everything in your blog, from how your blog looks to the type of font that you're using, to the certain theme that you choose, to even approving comments that other users have commented on your blog. Before they can publish, you actually have to approve them. So this is where everything takes place. Is under the dashboard. So in the upper left-hand corner, if you hover over My Sites, this is another place that you can also get back to your dashboard. You can view a new post, or go to a new post, I should say, or you can even visit your site. So I'll just visit it to show you. And then go back to My Sites and hover over your name's blog and go back to Dashboard, and this will get you back to your command center. So from here, we want to add a new post. If you want to add a new post, you can hover over Post on the left-hand side and either go to All Posts, where you can see all of your posts. You can add a new post. It will just take you to a brand new post that you're going to be making. Or even in the top menu bar, you can hover over plus new and then add new post. So I'll take you to All Posts first, just to show you. This is what your posts, when they're done, are going to look like. These are all published. If they weren't published, you can see where the word published, I don't think I have any that say queued or not yet published. But you would see it here if it wasn't published yet. If you wanted to add a new post, you can go Add New. You can go Add New over here, or even plus New up top. So any of those will work for you. If you press the Add New button, the first thing you need to do is add a title. Next, this is your body paragraph. This is what's going to be showing up. So this is where text and the body part. If all of these options don't show up, you can make it larger by clicking on this little button right here. It says Toolbar Toggle. If you wanted to have a hyperlink, if you highlighted some text, let's say you wanted to link something from Google Drive, or you wanted to link a Pixton comic, you could type something like, "Please enjoy my story on tigers." And if I highlight that text, watch what happens to the link. It will become activated, and then this is where you could actually insert a hyperlink. You could type in the link, and then it will title it for you. That would be a hyperlink. If you took a picture of something that students were creating, you could always just go up to where it says Add Media, select Add Media. You could insert a picture from a URL, or you can just choose from where it says Upload Files. You can upload a file from somewhere that is stored on your computer. So select Files. If it's stored on your desktop, if it's stored under Pictures, wherever it may be, you can select it and post it inside of the blog post. Last but not least, a lot of what we do is we actually embed posts. What I mean by embed, I'll show you, is the actual video itself will show up. As you can see, this video right here is embedded onto my blog. So is this one. That's embedded. This is a hyperlink. You have to click on the link and it will link you to a page. Whereas all these YouTube videos that I have posted from different apps, YouTube embedding appears directly on the blog itself. So if I go back to my new post, when you embed, it's just a little bit different. Instead of on the visual tab, what you see right here, you'll have to click on text. And when you click on text, you'll see these little options appear. And one of the options is code. Even though you don't have to click on code, I know that when I'm on the text side, this code button helps me remember that this is where I paste my embed code. So if I go to YouTube real quick, my channel, and let's say I'll just show you my latest video. Under Share, you'll see that I could either share the link or I could share the embed code. And once I have the embed code, I can just copy it, go back to my blog, and make sure I'm on my text tab. Otherwise, it will not embed. I need to make sure I'm on text tab where it says code, and then I simply just press paste the embed code in. Make sure that I have a title up here. If I wanted to do an explanation of the project, I could do it below. And then I would, on the right-hand side, press publish. I'm not going to publish this right now because I have people that subscribe to my blog and I don't want them to get a random email of me publishing something, but this is where you would actually publish. Or if you weren't done, you could always save it as a draft. So that's the main thing about how, or the main directions on how to post if you were using a MacBook or a PC. Stay tuned for my next tutorial, and I will show you how to make a blog post from an iPad. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed.